bid item. This is a local bridge replacement project, 001997 is the Jumping Gully Road at Bevel Creek. Memorandum of Agreement, Mr. McLeod.
Yeah, good morning. So first, I'd like to apologize. We need to move this item under for consideration. It is not a bid.
Okay.
This is a memorandum of agreement for Jumping Gully Road over Bevel Creek. It's part of the statewide transportation improvement plan. GDOT has taken this bridge to complete the construction. As part of that plan, Lowndes County will be responsible for providing $50,000 toward right-of-way contributions. And that's what this memorandum of agreement states. As an update, the current project let date is 7/15 of 2028.
Any questions for Mr. McLeod?
So that's when you're saying it's supposed to start?
That's when DOT would bid.
With bid, okay. It's years out. 28,
Yeah.
that's a while. But do we have to give the 50,000 now?
That will come at a later date.
Okay.
Mr. McLeod, I can tell you here with my iPad, we're talking about Jumping Gully,
We're talking about Jumping Gully.
and that's gonna be raised
Yes, sir.
about 9 feet.
We don't know the exact elevation at this time. It's very preliminary, but it will be raised. Yes, sir.
Any other questions?